Hi everyone. So right now we are heading towards the boat that's going to take us down the Sondha river. This river is known for its calm waters and incredible views. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. Just disconnect from the busy world and spend some time with nature. It's the perfect weather for a fishing trip. If you look around, you can see nothing but green all around. This is why I love it here. So, it's time to see if I can catch anything today. Fishing is all about patience. Let's see who is going to win today, me or fish. I'm hoping to take something home for dinner.